In this video, we will learn how we can stop Perplexity from using our searches to improve AI models. Okay, for that, you need to go to the official website of Perplexity. After that, login. After logging, you will see your profile. So just click on your profile. After that, click all settings. After clicking all settings, your account will be visible. Here your profile is visible now. You need to click preferences. Go below. Here the option is visible AI data retention. It allows Perplexity to use your searches to improve AI models. You can just click on the toggle bar to switch off it. Okay, that's it. You don't need to do anything else. In this way, you can stop Perplexity to use your searches, that is your search history, your chat history, to enhance their AI models. For a free generative AI tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video.